Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is November the 10th on a Friday. Happy Friday. And taking a look at the market, I did get stopped out of some stuff yesterday. Half of my positions, I am in a few things, but that was an ugly candle yesterday, kind of a dark cloud cover. We are gapping up this morning. We'll have to see what happens, but it looks like we're gapping up about midway in yesterday's range. But let's take a look at some setups. One I'm watching, and I'm actually in from a couple of days ago, is Upwink, UPWK. What I like about this is it actually closed flat on the day, so it kind of ignored that candle, tried to sell off. Buyers came in, pushed it back up. So maybe watch this because you have a doji. If we can reverse off that bar and take out yesterday's high, that's where I'm possibly looking to add to Upwink, a break above yesterday's high. SCS, I believe I mentioned this yesterday. Let's see. I don't know. This may have, yeah, I'm not sure what this is right here. Gapping. That may be a bad tick because they didn't have earnings or anything. So anyway, still looking for a break above this 1150 level in SCS. Another one on the list is JBL. Now this one, not really anticipating today, but I like the way this is wedging. So I'm looking for a break above maybe the 229 level in JBL. A nice wedge there. We'll see what happens. AFLA, insurance company, nice setup there on a pullback. It's pulled back for 3 bars. Look for a reversal and maybe a 3-day high in that AFLK. There's also a lot of earnings plays on the list, but those can be tricky. Just like to watch those. But anyway, that's it. Have a great day. Have a good weekend. I'll talk to you on Monday. Bye-bye.